Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rahina
I'm Hina.
and today is a 100 subscriber special episode. I'm just so grateful, because Hina was there with me shuru mein. And if you guys have noticed, the shuru की जो मेरी videos थी उसमें I was like so shy and like मुझसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा था. And अब we have 100 subscribers. Like I'm so grateful for all of you. Inshallah we're gonna have 200 subscribers, 300 subscribers, 400, 100k, then million. Inshallah. But it's so nice. Hina, how do you feel? तुम आधी ज़्यादा videos में तो थी.
Feel like I was a part of something I'm really proud of.
All we've done is just talk. We're so proud
But
of
I
talking.
feel like I would look back at these videos जब uni ख़त्म हो जाएगी, and then I would just see one video and I would be like, okay, I remember this day, and then I would rewatch all of them हर कुछ महीने बाद because they are like such memorable videos.
That's
Even
so
अगर
true.
हम इनको post नहीं करते, I would have been glad अगर हम ऐसी videos बनाते. Just talking about them.
Yeah.
But it's nice that you also get subscribers and things.
Subscribers also get content. So true. Thing is कि उसका बनाने का purpose ही यही था कि I just like making videos and when people are there with me, हम बस बातें करते, we share our thoughts, we just record whatever we're doing पूरे दिन में, even if it's nothing, and वो हम बस डालें, it's like our normal, बस हम जो करते वो हम डाल रहे हैं. It's such a simple thing, and I think in my head I was like, I'm documenting this for my kids. मजाक करी. I don't know if you guys even enjoy it, but okay.
We love it. Guys, मैं सारी videos देखती हूँ. I've seen every single video on her channel.
You're a true fan. और उसको क्या कहते हैं? It's Swifties होते हैं.
Oh, I'm a RLN.
What? Rahina. मैं सोच रही हूँ. I think we should come up with a brand name.
I think it should be Lalalians.
Lalalians.
We're at a new location.
Yeah.
Spot.
Please tell us which locations you like. आपको कौन सी videos पसंद है? And then we're gonna make more of those videos. या कुछ videos जो हमारी viral हुए, which हम थोड़ा सा past में जाके सोचते हैं कि हमारी कौन सी videos बहुत viral हुई हैं. एक तो gratitude वाली, which I think it was because of a man. Someone
Exactly.
saw कि oh, there was a man in the
We
frame.
live in a very patriarchal society. And a video with a man goes viral.
That is so true. And then the other video that went viral was जो कराची और लाहौर की बिरयानी का debate था, which again was like a very small part of the whole video, but वो बहुत viral हुई.
Also,
पता नहीं
courage
क्यों.
वाली काफ़ी
Courage वाली उसमें भी man थे ना, men थे उसमें तो.
man थे इसीलिए.
Yeah. हाँ, एक बहुत stupid से हमने video बनाई थी, उसमें एक random vlog, वो बहुत हुई थी. पता नहीं वो इतने views उसको
कौन
क्यों
सी?
मिले.
अच्छा,
वही वाली
वो
उसी दिन की. And it's so funny because कभी कभार I would actually go to these places, I went to Frere Hall to for this thing, कोई artwork वाली चीज़ थी, बहुत cool थी. And then दूसरी बार मैं pet show में गई थी, and these are actual events जो कराची में होते हैं. मैं गई थी and I showed this whole thing, but वो किसी ने नहीं देखी.
So
वो मजाल है. If there's a man, you guys will watch it.
let's talk about the future of this channel.
Yeah, Hina, what do you think should be the future?
I think it should be like something अपनी थोड़ी hobbies वगैरह के introduce करके उसके बारे में content बना, because now people know who you are.
Yeah.
So now people could be like, okay, if I'm regularly watching her, so it would be nice if they could relate to something that you regularly can, become a part of their lives.
एक वीडियो आइडिया आया था. अच्छा, टेकिंग दिस उर्दू शायरी का कोर्स, तो मुझे इतनी सारी शायरियाँ मिली एंड देयर 2-3 शायरियाँ जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. शायरी मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो मैंने सोचा था कि उसको मैं शॉर्ट लिस्ट करके then talk about that because I really like those.
You guys like Urdu shairi? Let us
I mean,
know.
even if you don't, I will still make it.
Okay, let's
probably.
talk about Rahina's hobbies, because
Oh,
she
yeah.
has a lot of hobbies. इतना ज़्यादा करती नहीं है habitually.
True.
She wastes a lot of time, but she knows how to do a lot of things and she has a lot of fun. Okay, so
What are my
Urdu
hobbies?
shairi.
So Urdu शायरी.
She likes to sing and she can dance really well. She also paints.
I like watercolors and acrylics. शायरी, और उससे याद आया सिंगिंग से, तुमने दस्तूर सुना है ना?
इसका
हबीब जालिब का जो शायरी है.
बहुत पहले. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
मुझे भी.
हमने
हम वो
आगे भी सुना
गाएंगे.
था ये.
हाँ, आई नो.
मेरे पास वो वीडियो है, मैं वो सुनती हूँ.
Oh my God, same. मैंने रिकॉर्ड की थी, मैं भी वो सुनती
मैं
हूँ.
सुनती हूँ. गाइस, अगर आप लाइव रिकॉर्ड करके कोई परफॉर्मेंस अपने फ़ोन में डालो और उसको सुनना इज़ सो मच बेटर देन स्टूडियो रिकॉर्डिंग किसी भी चीज़ की, बिकॉज
That is
इट्स
so
लाइक
true.
एवरी टाइम यू लिसन टू दैट रिकॉर्डिंग आप उस मोमेंट में वापस चले जाते हो. इवन
Yeah.
आपको इट्स लाइक योर फोन रिकॉर्डिंग सब बोल रहे होते हैं आसपास.
So और क्या मेरी हॉबीज है? I like gossiping.
She loves gossiping.
I love making videos. I think मुझे अपने आप को देखना कैमरा के सामने बहुत पसंद है. मुझे कैमरा के सामने होना बहुत पसंद है. मुझे एक्टिंग पसंद है.
हाँ, that is.
मुझे अटेंशन पसंद है. In case you guys didn't realize.
She also enjoys like.
Bestie time.
वो तो obviously. वो तो हॉबी नहीं है, वो तो पैशन है.
Passion. Bestie
प्रोफेशन है
time.
वो इसका.
So true. Bestie time with Hina only actually. Let me make
Thank you.
myself very clear. Okay, something that I'm like really obsessed with is like I love love in general. Like, you know, I love the idea of
Okay.
love.
You are the only person.
No, like, you know, like any kind of love. मुझे बहुत लोगों से
Loving is her hobby.
Yeah, loving is my hobby. मुझे कोई भी मिल जाए, I just like getting to know people and I love talking to them and I like making friends. I like
She also likes to play matchmaker because she loves.
guys, you have no idea.
She loves matchmaking as a hobby. Okay, she's been doing it for like a year.
Yeah.
कभी सही जाता है, कभी सही नहीं जाता.
हाँ, लेकिन ये है कि मैं एंड में मैं अच्छी मैच मेकिंग कर लेती हूँ.
Loves so much. She's like, I want other people to also have.
Yes, so true. खैर अभी I'm working on my love also. So
She's also into fitness.
really,
Like she wants to be.
I would like to be into
She tells
fitness.
me कि मैं जिम जाना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ, बट मैं जाती नहीं हूँ. मैं 1-2 बार गई थी बस. अच्छा, एक बार.
एक बार ये जिम भी गई थी.
Because I'm into fitness, guys. Please. Like,
She also likes to like watch TV shows because it's literally her major.
yeah, but मैं movies नहीं, मैं TV shows ज़्यादा prefer करती हूँ. Because I need
She
something
loves-
to be like obsessed with for a while. भले आप 10-12 seasons हो and like I'm obsessed with the characters. तो मुझे मज़ा आता है. I also like gift giving.
मैं कहने वाली थी but I was like ये hobby कैसे.
ये है, but मैं guys,
But
I
she
give the
has
best
not
gift.
given me a gift.
Because तुम्हारा birthday अभी तक आया नहीं है. Guys, next week Friday it's her birthday. Everyone wish Hina happy birthday.
I want
On
a bunch
28th
of
March.
strangers in my DM.
Yes. इसकी बैंक डिटेल्स भी नीचे हैं. प्लीज सेंड मनी एंड हर इंस्टाग्राम डिटेल्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो.
Send a request.
Send requests, send
Let's see,
cards,
मैं-
DM her, just creep her out.
और क्या पसंद है?
और
She also is into like you know like beauty parlor stuff. So like she
Yeah.
would cut our hair or she would dye our hair or she did my nails.
Yeah.
She
I did my own
She
nails
would
too.
do like mehendi. So she would do my mehendi and then she also does makeup मेरा भी और her
Yeah.
face का. So she's into like beauty or styling.
I'm into so many things.
She's also like really she loves to socialize. So that is also one of her hobby. You know, just like meeting people and talking to people.
So true.
Part
Like
of-
it definitely doesn't get overwhelming at a point. Like I'm very normal like
But
that.
it's a part of who you are.
Yeah, I do like it.
Yeah, and she does cool things just to like meet people or like surround herself.
Oh, अब तो मैं क्रिकेट भी चैंपियन है. क्रिकेट
Oh yeah,
चैंपियनशिप तो भूल गई.
she loves cricket guys. ये खेलने वाली है बस.
बस अब भाई मैंने एक बार क्या खेल लिया.
इसको आप साहब गोट कहेंगे. She is like बाबर आजम.
बाबर आजम इज माई पिच ब्रो. बाबर आजम मेरे सामने कुछ नहीं है. मैंने इमरान खान को ट्रेन किया था.
So true. She was there.
आई वॉज देयर. और या इट फील्स लाइक इट्स माई बर्थडे. 100 years old.
101.
Oh, 101. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing, all of you. I hope you all know that I love you guys so much and please always stay subscribed, keep subscribing and keep loving me and keep commenting, and I love it that you guys are part of my life. Bye.
Bye bye.